Hi everyone, welcome back to Jaylogue. It's raining today, and actually, it's going to rain all week, so I'm a little worried about that. Before starting my journey, I went to a convenience store to buy some essentials. Let me show you what I got. This is Korean style cup ramen, one of my favorites. And this one is cup. It's an instant rice meal that comes with toppings and sauce. Simple but quite filling. Next, this is instant porridge. It's called juk in Korea. Soft, warm, and perfect when I don't feel like cooking. I also prepared some canned tuna and spam. Usually, I don't prepare this much food before traveling, but this time I had a special reason. Recently, I received a public relief consumption coupon worth 100,000 Korean won. It can only be used within Ulsan and it expires in November this year. So I decided to spend it before it's gone. And that's why I bought all these things. For my first stay, I booked a guest house in Busan called One Way Guest House. They provide a shared kitchen and free Wi-Fi, and laundry is available with an additional charge. The location is excellent. It's very close to Busan train station. I will check in on October 16th and check out on October 30th. That's a total of 14 nights. I'll be staying in an 8-bed mixed dormitory room and the total cost was 219,576 Korean won. When I divide that by 14 nights, it's 15,684 won per night, which is roughly 11 US dollars. This is all I'm bringing: one small suitcase and one backpack. It's my first journey trying to live without a salary, only with the income from my dividends. I'm both nervous and excited to see how it goes. Thank you for watching and joining my journey. If you'd like to see how this experiment goes, don't forget to subscribe and follow along. See you on the next one. Goodbye.